Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. If you want to delete all your Facebook posts at once, this video is for you. In this video, we will learn how to delete all your Facebook posts at once. First of all, you have to open Facebook app from your mobile device. Now click on your profile picture under home icon. Well, this is your Facebook profile. Now click on three dots in front of view tools button. Here you can see different options under profile settings. You have to click on activity log, the fifth option. Here you can see all your activities you have done on Facebook. Now click on manage activity option. A list of three options will appear. You have to click on your posts. Now select the all option. Well, all the posts are selected. Want to delete them? Click on trash button. And now click on move to trash. In this way you can delete all your Facebook posts at once. It is simple and easy way to delete all your Facebook posts at once. Like and share this video if it works well for you. And subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.